This is January 12th, 2011. This is the big storm that came up from the south and blended with the storm from the west and is giving us a lot of snow. It's going to be at least a couple of feet by the time it's done. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. It's been snowing maybe since midnight last night. These are our cars. There's Bob's truck and the Taurus SHO, mostly buried. I'm on our side porch, just looking around. The wind's blowing. Neighbor's house across the street is buried. Pretty much everything's buried. I'm looking out at the front rose garden, and you cannot see where my rose cones are. They're completely and totally buried, as is my sundial stand, my garden bench. It's really beautiful, though. There's the Valentine flag. It'll all be melted before you know it. Hope you're enjoying your snow day.